So your D part, third question says, write a short note on right to freedom. So you will write this entire paragraph, okay, which is explaining everything. Since it is a long answer question, so do not skip anything. You will write a heading, right to freedom, and then according to article 19 to 22, democracy cannot exist without individual freedom. Our constitution guarantees 6 different freedoms to promote the idea of liberty mentioned in the preamble. All citizens have the right to freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully and without arms, form associations and unions, move freely through the territory of India, reside and settle in any part of India, practice any profession and carry on any occupation, trade or business. Right to freedom include right to free and compulsory education of all children between 6 and 14 years. We must use the right to freedom with cautious. For example, the right to assemble does not mean that we can create public disturbances and cause problems for others. Similarly, freedom of speech and expression allows us to express ourselves freely without hurting or harming others. The right to freedom also means that no citizen can be punished without being proved guilty in a court of law. Neither can anyone be punished for same offense twice. Thus, the right protects us against injustice. So, in general, we are here talking about that since in our constitution we are being given right to freedom, which is stated in this article. Also, democracy exists nahi kar sakti if there is no individual freedom. And when we are talking about freedom, we talk about freedom to speak, to speech, to express ourselves, to assemble peacefully, okay, to make associations, to move anywhere in India peacefully, to practice any occupation. And also, when we are talking about freedom, we say that there cannot be any child labor. That is why children should go to from 6 to 14 years, they should take basic education. Also, when we talk about freedom, right to freedom, and if we have right to express ourselves, we cannot say anything जो किसी के sentiments को harm करे. Also, when we talk about freedom, we also say that no one can be punished without they are being proved guilty जब तक उनका final verdict announce नहीं हो जाता कोर्ट में. Also, that they can not be put behind the bars for same punishment, which I have already explained you in the chapter.